this video, I'm just going to be showing you the best way on how to register on this exchange called the Phemex exchange. So you have to watch this video to the end because I'm going to be discussing some important things that you need to know. Okay, so the first thing to do is to click on the link at the video description and then open the app. Download the app if you don't have it from Play Store or Apple Store. And then when you download it, it's going to open up. As soon as it opens up, just go ahead and click on the create button. All right, go ahead and click on this create button right here. And if you already had an account before, don't worry about clicking on this create button. Just go ahead and click on login and log in with the account details that you used in creating it before. But since I want to create a fresh account, I'm just going to be clicking on this create account. As soon as you click on that create an account, it's going to take you to the next step where you're going to be inserting your choosing the option that you want to be using to register. Now, I don't recommend using any of these when registering an exchange because hackers can easily get access to your information. All right, hackers can easily get access to your information. That's why it's always advisable that you just type it manually right here. Okay, so ensure that you type in manually, and then when you are typing it manually, ensure that in the aspect of inserting your password, you use uppercase. Okay, now you can see here what I did here. You have to ensure that you use at least a big letter word. Mix a big letter word, which is uppercase, and then also mix a small letter word, which is lowercase, and then add some numbers and some symbols in it. Like for example, you can add hash in it or $sign in it. All right. And as soon as that is done, you just go ahead and a code will be sent to your email. Just go ahead and click on that code that was sent to your email. All right. Then come back and insert that code here. And you have to be very fast. Before this timer elapses, you have to be very fast. So when you click on that code that was sent to your email, just insert those 6-digit code right here. And then it's going to take you to the next step. Just go ahead and click on this save to save this information in your email. As soon as it is saved, go ahead and click on this verify. Then when you click on verify, it's going to take you right here where you can do your verification here on the Phemex exchange. To have full access to the exchange feature, you have to submit your government issued ID card so that the system or the exchange can identify where you're coming from, your country, and so that you can be able to unlock every access like trading and other important features of the exchange, of the app. So you just go ahead and select any of your government issued ID card to identify yourself. So you have to provide any of these and then provide your face verification. All right. So just go ahead and click on this verify now. And then when you click on this verify now, the app is going to tell you it's going to prompt that you grant the permission so that you can be able to capture your face. You just go ahead and click on only this time now. All right. You can also decide to click on while using this app. Go ahead and enable them. All right. And then after enabling it, it's going to take you right here where you can go ahead and snap your government issued ID card. Now you have to ensure that while you're snapping it, you snap it properly so that the details in the card are well positioned in your camera. All right. And you should, now you have to know that the card must not be an expired card. It should at least have your face in it, your date of birth in it, and it shouldn't be a damaged card, and the face should show. All right, and it shouldn't be blurry, it shouldn't be glare like this, and it shouldn't be cropped. You have to just snap it the way it is and then go ahead and click on continue. And then after clicking on that continue, you are done, the system is gonna verify your government issued ID card, and then in less than 1 to 2 minutes, the exchange is gonna verify you, and they are gonna be having full access to the exchange. I hope this is clear enough. See that here is just the interface of the app. After following every step, it's going to register you in the app successfully. All right. And then the first thing you have to know in any exchange is that you have to take note of your UID. Your UID is very important because it is a kind of identity that identifies you in the exchange. And this is where you can locate the UID. It's very, very important. You click right here, you come over here, and then you click on where you have this UID. This is your UID. This UID here is your identity in the exchange. This identity, this UID can be used to get some reward, some airdrop reward when the need arises. And also there are some offers that always warrant you to have this UID. So to have it, you have to just click on right here to copy it, or you just click on that section and head over here and copy it automatically, and then you can use it. So that is it for UID. And then for you to be able to send out or to start sending and receiving any coin, you have to click on where you have this wallet. This is the wallet section. Always click on this wallet section. Then anytime you want to start depositing in this exchange, always click on deposit right here. As soon as you click on deposit, you can decide to deposit through crypto. You click on this deposit any coin on crypto, and then you select the coin that you want to be depositing. All right. You can also decide to deposit by direct money through fiat. Fiat is if you want to like deposit using your naira, you can deposit using this section. But anytime you want to deposit using crypto, to deposit any coin into the exchange, just click on this crypto section. Then you can also come here and click on Avail. Let's say I want to deposit Avail. You click on Avail for the sake of this video. You click on it, and then when you click on it, it's gonna load up the address for you to copy. Just go ahead and click on the address right here. Okay, just go ahead and click on the address. Ensure that while you're doing this, your network is very stable. Okay, now you click right here on copy. The address of the coin is gonna be copied. Then you can now go ahead and send it to anybody, or send any coin from any wallet into this exchange directly. All right, so that is all you need to know about this deposit section. And then this withdrawal section is in case you want to withdraw your coin from this exchange to, let's say, your Trust wallet or another external wallet. You just have to click on this withdrawal, and then after clicking on this withdrawal right here, you have to enable the Google Authenticator right here. All right, I'm gonna be dropping the next video on how to enable your Google Authenticator for those of you that don't know. Now, after you've enabled your Google Authenticator, this section is no more gonna be showing. All right, so what is gonna be showing is how to is the withdrawal sections, where you're gonna the coin you wanna be withdrawing. All right, so that is it for this withdrawal section. Then this transfer has to do with anyone that wants to transfer internally. Let's say you want to transfer from within the exchange. Let's say you want to transfer from your spot account into your trading, your futures account. Spot account is actually an account that holds your coins. All right, but the futures account is in case you want to start trading the coin that you have in the exchange here for profit, or let's say you want to start trading it perpetually in the market. You can now migrate any coin that you have right here in this spot account into your futures account for trading. And as soon as it is migrated, it is gonna be reflecting right here. All right, so you just go ahead and click on confirm to do that. After you clicking on confirm to do that, your coin is gonna be migrated. So this is just a basic guide on how to go about this exchange. Then I'm gonna be dropping more videos on how to trade on the using this exchange in the next video. I'm gonna be dropping it right at the video description. So if you are new in this channel, ensure you stay subscribed and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you'll always be notified on time. So see you in the next video.